Hi, this is Kim Velasquez, and I am making this video as an introduction to Bio 114 because I noticed that only a few students have taken the orientation / syllabus quiz. So I'm kind of concerned that maybe you might be a little confused about the format of the class. So I want to go on to sharing my screen so that I can show you on Canvas exactly what you need to be doing for the class. So just bear with me for 1 second, please. Okay, so if you log into Canvas and you're enrolled in the class, you should be able to find your Bio 114 link. And this is roughly what it will look like. This is not the student view, but this is basically what it will look like. So the syllabus is here. This is the syllabus quiz that you have to take or you will be dropped. It's the only way I know if you're still planning to participate in the class. And anyone who doesn't take this by June 30th will have to be dropped from the class, because that's the drop deadline for the class, and I don't want you to end up with an F on your transcript if for some reason you decided to not take the class anymore. I want to make sure that I my roster so that doesn't happen. And the format of the class is just that you will watch videos at your own pace and then take online quizzes. There are no required in-person Zoom meetings, and you will not be getting any Zoom meeting links. Having said that, I will be holding office hours every week on Zoom, so I will be posting links for those drop-in office hours, but you can also email me and set up an office time to meet with me at any point, and I can send you that link individually for whatever time works best for you. I will post this on Canvas today, but my set office hours are going to be on Wednesday mornings from 9 to 10 a.m. and Thursday afternoons from 3 to 4 p.m. So that gives kind of a morning time and an afternoon time for students. So the way the course works, you'll see it's all set up by module. So module 1, you'll watch these 3 videos and then you'll take the quiz. The videos are not me lecturing, they are Dan Sourbeer. When Dan was a professor at Palomar, he went to Yellowstone and the Grand Tetons every summer with a group of students as part of a field course. And this is the lecture that used to accompany that field course. Unfortunately, now that Dan has retired, he no longer teaches, and so that field course doesn't happen anymore, but the lecture portion of that has lived on through this online course that I now administer. So when you click on these video links, you're going to be asked for a password on Vimeo. Okay, and that password is Grizzly, G-R-I-Z-Z-L-Y, no caps. Once you type that in, you can access the videos. These videos have actually won an Emmy Award. So when you start playing the videos, you'll get this really cool intro. Super fancy. And then eventually you get to Dan. See, that's the field course. And there's Dan. So that's the videos. So once you watch all the videos in a group, then you'll go on and take the quiz associated with that module. Another tip for you is that there is a textbook for the course, but there is a lecture outline, and that lecture outline is everything that Dan says in the video. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom on Canvas, you'll see the lecture outline. It includes all of the text, all of the images that he shows. I took this course as a student before I started teaching it. I found the lecture outline to be very useful. I would actually open it on another device and I would take notes on that, and then I would use that to study for and take my quizzes. You can use notes for the quizzes. The quizzes are timed. The multiple choice portion of the quizzes is timed, and you only see one question at a time. Once you answer that question, you can't backtrack. It's locked and you can't go back to that question again. Short answer and short essay questions usually don't have time associated with them to give you a little bit more time to answer, unless it's a really short answer question, and it might be part of a multiple choice quiz, and that would be timed. On the short answer and essay questions, you must answer those in your own words, and Canvas does have a plagiarism detector that will tell if that answer came from anywhere on the internet, so just be really cautious. Don't Google answers. Only answer questions using the exact same way that Dan explained the material in the videos and in the lecture transcript. And you need to kind of reword that, but use it the way that Dan presented it, not the way you might find it on the internet. And a lot of times that terminology is completely different. And so I'll be alerted if that happens. If you do have issues while taking a timed quiz, please know that, so especially for the, these multiple choice quizzes at the beginning. So for example, this module 1 quiz is all multiple choice. And if you do have issues with your internet or computer crashing or something happens during the quiz, please don't wait till the last minute to take it, just in case that happens. And also notify me right away. Canvas gives me all the details of your quiz. For example, if you got to question 5 and your internet crashed, it will tell me that you answered questions 1 through 4. It will show me exactly how much time you spent on each question. It will show me how much time you had left when your computer internet went out. And I will give you whatever remaining time you had and the questions that you haven't viewed yet. You will be given an opportunity to still answer those. So please don't hesitate to let me know if you have any problems at all. The deadlines vary, so be familiar with the deadlines, read the syllabus. It really outlines what those deadlines are, and those deadlines are also posted on Canvas. Those deadlines are firm unless you get deployed by the military or have some other medical emergency that prevented you from meeting the deadline. The deadlines are pretty flexible. They're kind of in 2 big blocks, one kind of halfway through and one at the end. You do have 2 things due at the beginning though. You have, if you look, this module 1 quiz is also due on June 30th. So on June 30th, which is 8 days from today, you have the syllabus quiz due and the module 1 quiz due. That's to alert me that you're still planning to participate in the class, and otherwise you'll be dropped. So please don't hesitate to let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help any way I can. I hope you have a great summer session, and hopefully I'll see you in one of my office hours. Okay, take care. Bye.